Hi and welcome to Abraz Around the House. Today we're going to tackle a real simple task that many of us run into at least a few times if you own a vehicle, and that is a flat tire. And in this case we're going to show you how to plug a tire. Into the right circumstances you can plug a tire, pretty easy to do, and you can avoid having to take it into a repair shop or a service station and save a few bucks in the process. All you have to do is make a quick trip to your local auto store, and once you've purchased it, you can fix several flats with it, as long as you keep it in a place where you remember and it's not too far in between. So we're going to jump right into how to fix a flat tire by plugging it. So first thing we do is notice we have a low tire, and we're going to put some air in it to give us a little pressure before we start. You'll notice the culprit right there in the middle of the tire. Anything toward the center is easy fixes, especially if it's straight into your tire. You can use a kit. In this case it has a couple parts to it. One is a clean out tool and the other is the plugging tool. So you must remove the obstruction first, or in this case it's a screw, and I put that clean out tool in there to hold the air, and you can see how it got into my tire. I don't know. But then you just take the rubber plug and you just thread it like a needle on the plugging tool, and that's what it looks like there. You want to finish the clean out by pushing that in and out. Gets the rubber of the tire prepared for the rubber cement that's on the plug, and then it's a simple push in, twist and turn, and then pull out, and it leaves that plug right in the tire for you. Next step is to cut off the plug. I use a utility knife in this case, and you can use a pair of wire cutters, works good. And then spray a little soapy water on that, and if it has a leak it'll bubble right up. If not, in this case of course it doesn't, it's a good fix. What you don't want to do is try to plug a tire that's on the edge of the tire, or I'd go at least a good inch in from the edge of the tire before I would plug a tire. If it's on the edge or corner toward the sidewall, it's not even worth doing. In fact, you probably should replace your tire in that case. The plug won't hold there. Of course, then I put the air back in the tire and bring it back up to the recommended pressure of 35, and that's really all there is to this process of plugging a tire. So hopefully that'll help someone. Have a great day.